Ugh. Ugh. We're gonna do another unboxing video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am so sorry for not uploading for a long time. Mostly because, you know, I've been working on a new wiki on fandom. If you guys don't know what fandom is, it is basically a wiki place, but it's not the official one. So yeah. I am doing a Pokemon Legends 2 wiki, and yeah. So anyways, like I said, I will be doing a unboxing video. Let's just do it here. So, can't get out of the video. Sure. By the way, Bunny Adventures is still going. I don't think it's canceled. Okay. So, first off is this thing. What is it called? The I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it looks like. Well, I know what it looks like, but yeah. So we got this cube. I am like those. I'm like a non-cuber to this because I literally don't know how this turns. Like it's like a cube. I think I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's kind of like the. It's kind of like the Ivy cube. I'll go get it. This, you just turn this part, and this can just turn this part. Yeah, it's kind of hard to turn, and if it's, I cannot imagine you like scrambling this, and how do you even solve it? I have no idea. I'm not gonna attempt to solve it because this is my first time, and I don't like scramble. And next off is this. I heard of it as a Chiwi. Yeah, Chi Toys. So this triangle is the Master Morphings. Okay, here's the cube. I actually already played with this, but I didn't scramble it, thankfully, because you know how hard I like. And also, this took me a while to. What is this? Oh, the Chi cube. I didn't know. I think I already have some of these cubes. Like the 3x3 and the 4x4. I'll get it again. Yeah, back. So it's kind of the same if you think about it, because here's the logo, and oh, it's not GQ, but the brand of this. It's the same. Look, this cube and this cube. It's the Young June Mofang. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I already like have a soft slate on this. Actually, fun fact: I took out the stickers and put it back, like on my cubes that I really want to solve. And yeah, I basically have a complete collection now, so I just really, yeah, these are the two, but that are new. Also, there's a surprise at the end of the video, so don't leave at the end of the video. Now, next off is we have 2 Pokemon cards that I haven't seen my whole entire life. It says Fates Collide, but it's Primarina on it. And yeah, if you guys don't know, Primarina's in 7. So this is a skid. Really, it's fake. Really, I didn't know this was fake. Zorua, Boudra. What is this? A Diancie Break. This is what is this? I never. This is a yeah, it's Primal. Yo, seriously. This is, oh, come on, this is fake, man. Pyroar, Primarina GX. I'm not really, yo, this is just fake, man. We have a chest pin and a Shellos watering, and it's gold. And I'm gonna drink my Sarcy that I picked out. Okay, the other piece. It's the same thing, so I think it will be fake. Jeez, it's really hard to open. I don't know why it's so hard to open, but yeah. And I already know it's gonna be fake. Fletchlander. Oh, another one, it's another primal thing. Espeon GX. Not really sure. Drudigon, I have no clue. Delphox, okay, that's cool. What's this? Aromatis? I don't know. I'm really not good at pronunciation. Sock. This is just Ask. Pangoro, and we have a low tag. So that's basically all. By the way, if you are still sticking around, you might remember this guy, Bun. Now, this guy's cute, fluffy, and all. But if you guys are wondering, in my introducing to this guy, jeez, Fletchlander, get out of here, which is Daddy Bun. Maybe then the title says Bun Family. Now, if you might be thinking, Bun Family, there's only two. Why is there no? Because a family, as you may know, has different people in it. The mother, the father, and stuff. Finally has come. I have gotten all members of the Bun family. If you want to see them, I want to hit 10 likes or 10 views by tomorrow or next week. I'm mainly going to focus on next week. Yeah, just kidding. I'm going to do it now. So, introducing the Bun family. There are 4 people that you don't know, and there are 2 that you already know. So these 2 are the people that you already know. Let's get to the people who you don't know. First up is Pink. I don't know why I showed red for a second, but it's pink. It is the mother bun. So this is the daddy bun. This is the mommy bun. Okay. Next off is Blue. This is, I think it's the brother bun. Also, the light blue is the brother bun. They're 2 brothers. And sister bun, which is a complete family. I seriously have no clue why they're all the same. So instead of calling Bun, I'm gonna call him Baby Bun. Well, it's basically the same thing. Baby bun. It's the same thing. So anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna, so if you're referring to the whole family, call this the Baby Bun, not Bun, the Baby Bun. And yeah, that's basically all I want to show you guys. So yeah, if you want to see bunny adventures with all the Bun family, like I said, I want 10 likes by next week, or else I'm just going to continue as per normal. No bunny adventures with this. And I scrambled it, great. So I know how to solve it, basically, because it's pretty easy. It's just a simple solve. Oh jeez, I see. Solved it. So anyways, yeah. Good luck on me. Wish me good luck if I do scramble these. I'm gonna add that to the pile of Rubik's Cubes. Now you might be asking, didn't you organize your Rubik's Cubes? Now I will show you the order of the Rubik's Cubes, and I'll bring my Rubik's Cubes all along. Oh geez, there's 5 and carry. There's a 5? Yes, 5. Oh gosh, it's so heavy. I'm just gonna put the old ones there. I just dropped it. Great. I don't know whether thank goodness it's not broken. Is it broken? It's not broken. Thank you. It won't be broken. Whew. And And if I do scramble this, it'll be quite easy because, yeah. So I'm gonna hope that this will break. And so this is the order. Now there's 1, 2, 3. Now there's 3 missing, which is the 2x2, the 2x2, the 3x3, and 4x4 in the Ivy cube. Now we're gonna put. So now, if you noticed, these are actually ordering from when I got them. So this was the very first cube I forgot, and they just progress. This was the latest cube I got. It's currently my main. It's the, I don't know what's a cube is it, but it turns really fast. It is the one that I showed you, the scrambled one. But it's pretty neat. I eventually solved it, and I know how to make it cross now. You have to like make this part. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna fill in these ones right here, and yeah, if I do have enough time, I might do this. And as you might have heard, I played. Hold on, let me go back to my room. As you may, it just turned blue for a second. What is wrong with this? Anyways, as you may heard, I have been playing Pokemon Legends 2. Now, I am going to upload a video every single time I get a shiny case. Spoiler alert, if you didn't play Pokemon Legends 2, it's the best place to stop now. Now, if you guys... So yeah, I'm gonna get a shiny case because that's basically all you know how to get a shiny Pokemon. Because wow, jeez, there's like no other way to get a shiny Pokemon, and that is basically all my all the way my God, no, this is bad. Okay, anyways, yeah, I'm gonna hope I do this, and I just scrambled. Am I something? So yeah, a shiny case is basically the only way you can get a shiny Pokemon in the game. Well, currently. And I don't have enough Robux to buy the other case, which costs 12 Robux. I have 1 Robux. Anyways, yeah. I'm also pretty impressed. They're the same thing! They're the same thing! Yo, the same picture, the same stats, the same picture, the same Pokedex. Wow. So that is pretty neat. Diancie Break Sparkle. I already can tell by the font is fake because I was expecting some like real one, but why do you have to do this? And also, I don't really think too much about it because I bought it at the dollar store. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, I'm really excited to try out my new cube at solving it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Peace. Also, before you go, I forgot to put the intro in this video. Every single video, I forgot to put the intro on. Why? But I promise the next video will include the intro. I promise you it will include the intro. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. And I just learned how to make a cross on the 4x4. Yay! Okay, bye.